Open your My First Dimension drawing, make sure you're in model space, zoom extents, and save it as My Second Drawing. Save. AutoCAD has a special palette for the reuse of AutoCAD content that you've created and saved. It is called the Design Center. You will be using this more and more as your experience progresses. Open the View tab and click on the Design Center tool. The Design Center panel will open up. As you can see right now, it's listing the open drawings. What we can do is we can open a series of drawings and drag the content from those drawings onto a current drawing. For this exercise, we need the My Second Drawing, My First Layers, and My First View to be open. So let's open My First Layer, hold down the Control key, pick on My First View, click Open. Now you can see that in the Design Center, we've got the 3 drawings listed. You'll notice that My First Layer is the active drawing now because that was the last drawing that you opened. Click on the My Second Drawing to make sure that it is active. Let's go back onto Home. Let's click on the drop-down layer list and see that the only layer we have is the def point layer and layer 0. Remember, def point layer was created when we added dimensions. We don't draw on that layer. So let's go back to the Design Center. Open up My First Layer. Click on Layers, and you can see the layers that are contained in My First Layer are listed. Click on the first one, Border. Hold down the Shift key. Click on Text. They're all highlighted. Press on Border and drag into your My Second Drawing and release. If you click on the down arrow, you can see the layers have now been added. Let's close our Design Center. Now let's change some of the items that we have in our drawing onto their proper layers now that we have them in our drawing. Let's pick on our object lines, and we can do it in a variety of ways, picking, crossing, window, crossing. With them highlighted, go up to your layer list, pick on the word object, hit escape, and you can see they've all changed the object layer. Let's change our dimensions onto the dimension layer. Crossing, crossing, dimensions, escape, pick on text, text, escape. And let's save our drawing. We may use it in other drawings. It is time to review how to use the Design Center to reuse content from other drawings. You may want to practice on your other drawings by dragging layers and line types. I would suggest journaling in point form how to open the Design Center to access content on open drawings.